نقول بيننا وبينكم السلف بيننا وبينكم الكتب.
The problem with Mufti MENK and others, they want to be liked by everyone. They want to be liked by everyone. Even to the extent, subhanallah, in his tweets, he uses Almighty. Very rarely he will use Allah. Subhanallah, Allah mentions his name in the Quran. The Prophet ﷺ mentioned Allah in the Sunnah. You have more wisdom than that in your approach to give da'wah. As for being liked by everyone, I heard an interview, and it was an interview after they banned him, I think from Denmark. That interview was awful. Instead of standing up for what he believes, you know, the woman, she bullied him. And he, subhanallah, again, it's embarrassing for a man to be bombarded in that fashion and disrespected, and you're just trying to please them because you want to go to Denmark. May Allah protect us from that. You're going to sell what your principles because you want to go to Europe? That's the exchange? And I saw a clip of him, and they asked him what he is, you know, and he said, what did he refer to himself as? A chocolate man. Come on, subhanallah. Come on, this is serious. I'm a chocolate man. That's ridiculous. Look at Shaykh al-Islam ibn Taymiyyah. Before even, subhanallah. Look at the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam. They said about the Prophet, Muhammad farqun bayna nas, or Muhammad farraqa bayna nas. Muhammad, he divided the people based upon the truth he came with. The Quran, from the names of the Quran, is Al-Furqan. It divides between truth and falsehood. How can you be liked by everyone? It's impossible. If you tell those who are committing shirk, shirk is the gravest sin. If someone dies upon it, they're going to go to hell. You have to worship Allah alone. If you tell them you can't grave worship, they're going to have a problem with you. They're going to have a problem with you. You tell someone you can't celebrate the Mawlid of Nabi, this Prophet's birthday, it's a bid'ah. They're going to have a problem with you. You have to speak the haqq. Allah commanded us with that. We don't have a choice. Allah commanded the Prophet ﷺ in the Quran. He said, we placed you upon a sharia, a divine legislation. فَاتَّبِعْهَا. Allah commanded the Prophet, follow it. وَلَا تَتَّبِعْ أَهْوَاءَ الَّذِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ. And don't follow the desires of people who know not. Allah commanded the Prophet ﷺ to follow the sharia and not follow desires of the people, because people's desires, this person thinks this, another person thinks that. Everyone's going to try and pull you with their reasoning, their way, or what they believe to be correct. Allah said, follow the sharia, because the people, they will not avail you with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So that approach is very dangerous.